This mat's gonna be great for chipping. All right, this is the 5 foot by 4 foot golf mat for indoor or outdoor use. I just wanted to show you how it arrived. The company sent me this product for review, but everything I say in this video is gonna be my own opinion. And you can see it arrives just like this. So it's 5 foot, 4 foot in size with an overall weight of just under 14 pounds. So it's not too hard to move around at all. It has a non-slip PVC foam bottom on here that is a little over a 1/2 inch thick. And with the stitched top part of the mat, the overall thickness is just over 1 inch. Got a little bit dirty because I'm out in the backyard here, but the stitching looks great on here. It totally reminds me of the mats that I have at my local driving range. Obviously the mat's gonna be great for chipping, but they've also given us 2 different sized rubber tees here and a bunch of different regular tees to go along with these 9 foam balls that they've included, 6 white and 3 yellow. You've got 3 holes on either side of it right here. A little tight to get them in at first. That's okay. You can use the smaller rubber tee that they have on here and the tees that they provided, or your own tee to dial up pretty much any tee size that you want. You can use it with or without the tees. Obviously this is going to be great for practicing iron tee shots, fairway wood tee shots, and you can dial up almost any size you want with your driver if you decide to, if you want to put one of these larger tees inside of here, that works as well, or use it without it. That's about where I like mine. I've got some soft spikes on right now. Totally feels great. It's the same type of feel that I'm used to with my home driving range mats. Spongy, and it feels nice and comfortable. I know if I hit something fat, I'm not getting that shock and impact on my wrists. So a golf mat like this is gonna be perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Great for hitting into a net, obviously. Would work great in the backyard, the garage, the driveway, the basement, or any place where you have room and you want to get some practice in. Perfect for the winter, like right now. Very nice.